Did you know that how you exit the mortgage note can be just as important as how you enter it? Many investors focus only on buying notes, but without a clear exit plan, you could lose out on profit or get stuck holding a note longer than you intended. There are several ways that you can exit the mortgage note investment, and understanding them helps you to make smarter decisions. One option is to sell the note on the secondary market. Other investors may be willing to buy your note, and the price you get depends on factors like the borrower's payment history, the remaining loan balance, and the property's current value. Performing notes with consistent payments typically sell at a higher price. Another strategy is a partial note sale. Instead of selling the entire note, you sell a portion of the future payments. This gives you immediate cash today while still keeping a stream of income coming in later years. It's a flexible way to unlock liquidity without giving up the full investment. Borrower activity can also trigger exits. If the borrower refinances with another lender, you'll get paid off. Similarly, some borrowers may decide to simply pay off their loan early, which also result in a lump sum return to you. For non-performing notes, exits can look different. If workouts of modifications don't succeed, foreclosure or a deed in lieu may become the strategy. While these paths can take longer, they may allow you to recover the property and either sell it or turn it into a new income stream. The success of your exit will always depend on a few key factors. Whether the note is performing, the loan-to-value ratio, the borrower's creditworthiness, and overall market conditions like interest rates and housing demand. Before you exit, it's essential to stay prepared. Keep accurate payment records, maintain updated collateral documentation, and get a current property valuation. These steps not only protect you, but also help maximize the price if you decide to sell. Exiting a mortgage note investment isn't just about getting out. It's about doing it in the right way to protect your returns and free up capital for your next opportunity. Hey, please follow us for more insights on mortgage notes and strategies that every investor should know.